made a Play-Doh piggy set.
First, I'm gonna pick a light pink Play-Doh to put on the pig's stomach. Let's press. Let's wait. And the piglet is here. Look, isn't it so cute? You like this piglet? And let's put it out. Look, the piglet come out. And let's put his eyes so it will be like a piglet. Here is a baby piglet. It's so cute. Now let's put his eyes. Put some white Play-Doh so it will be like an eye. Now let's put his another eye. And now let's put brown Play-Doh for his dots. But not too big. And let's put another brown Play-Doh. Now let's put brown for another dot. Look, this is a piglet. It is so cute. Now let's put dark pink for his nose. So small in it. Let's put on the nose. Let's put the nose. And another nose. I made these 5 piglets. I have small treat for them. And I have 3 carrots and 2 pizza and 2 apples. Let's do the muddy puddles for the piglets. And let's put the brown Play-Doh. We need some more. And more. And let's put the muddy puddles into this muddy puddle. Those are coming. This is too hard. Look, the muddy puddles are lighting. Now let's do the mud. Let's go slow down. And put these out. This is a muddy puddle for the piglets. And now let's put the piglets in the mud. 1 piglet is in the mud. 2 piglets are in the mud. 3 piglets are in the mud. 4 piglets are in the mud. 5 piglets is in the mud. Now let's put the treats in the mud for the piglets. I put 2 pizzas, and now let's put carrots. carrots, and now let's put apples. I put 2 apples so they can eat. Now let's see how the piglets jump in the mud. Now let's see how the piglets are hopping in the mud.